हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking and public finance. Today topic is preparation of budget in India. The Union budget is prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs of Ministry of Finance. Earlier, the budget was presented in two categories: revenue budget and general budget. Budget 2017 and 2018 will be presented on 1st February 2017 by the Finance Minister of India. There will be no separate budget for Indian Railway, which has been merged with the general budget. The decision taken on the recommendation of Niti Aayog committee headed by its the member Baibak Dubey reflect the decrease over the time in the relative size of rail budget compared to the some other components in general budget, such as defense and road and highway, reducing to the mere ritual according to the Article 112 of the Indian Constitution. The President is responsible for presenting the budget to Lok Sabha. The annual financial budget statement take into account a period of one financial year according to Article 77. Third, the Union Finance Minister has been made responsible by the President to prepare the budget also and called the annual financial statement, and the pilot is through the Parliament. Budget embodied the estimate, receipt and expenditure of the Government of India for one financial year. The financial year commences on 1st April each year. In Parliament, the budget goes through 5 stages. First, presenting of budget with Finance Minister a speech, general discussion of the budget. After this is an enjoyment of houses so that a standing committee for grant for a month. Voting on demand for grant in Lok Sabha, passing the appropriation bills, passing the financial bills. Budget preparation. The budget preparation is preparation to Parliament on the date fixed by the President. Generally, it was presented on the last working day on February, a month before the commencement of financial year. But this 92-year-old practices presenting budget has been changed now. During the general election, the budget is presented twice. First, to secure a vote on account for 4 months and later completely. Budget speech of Finance Minister is in two parts. Part A constitutes a general economic condition of the country, while Part B is related to taxation proposal. The general budget is presenting in the Lok Sabha by the Minister of Finance at the conclusion of a speech of the Finance Minister in Lok Sabha. An annual financial statement is laid on the table of Raj Sabha. Discussion of budget. It is done into two stages. In first stage, broad outline of the budget, principle and policy underlying it are to be discussed in general discussion of the budget, with the last for about 4-5 days. In second stage, discussion is held based on reports of concerned department, ministry, standing committee, which is unusually done after a month of a general discussion of the budget. Standing committee submit report to the House, which are persuasive in nature. Vote on account. Since the passing of the budget take almost 2 months, the government requires the section of an amount to maintain itself for this period according to Art 116, a special provision called vote on account is created by which a vote of parliament is obtained by the government for a sum sufficient general for 2 months to incur expenditure during the election year. A vote on an account may be exceed from 2 4 month expenditure. Discussion and voting on demand for grants. After the standing committee report are presenting to the House, the House proceeds with the ministry by discussion of the committee reports and voting on demand for grants. The time for discussion and voting on demand for grants is allocated by the Speaker in consultation with the Leader of House. Thank you.